Hello, this is Gabe from S&P Innovations, and today we bring to you our version of the Holley 16 injector harness. So what you see in front of you is actually two separate harnesses. We have an upper and a lower. The lower harness is the original 8 injectors that plugs into the MetroPack connector, the gray connector there on your left. That plugs into your typical Holley Dominator MetroPack connector. What you see there next is your power supply for the second set of injectors. All Holley harnesses have a designated power supply for their injectors and fuel pump. We supply a second fuse and relay for the second set of injectors, so to reassure we don't have any power distribution issues or power draw or pop any fuses or relays. As you can see, all of our injector connectors are all labeled, all cylinder orientated, and we use all brand new products. All of our loom is all expanded loom, and everything's all heat shrink and soldered the way it should be. Please like and share. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much and have a great day.